Alright guys, Reishirou here, and today we have an update video on our stocks portfolio and our bank account. It's been a while, and yes, this is our first face cam video, and don't get on me about the lighting because we can't even make videos on a consistent schedule, so lighting is totally not our priority, nor is anything else. I mean, I'm sitting on a chair slouched with my blanket in the chair. So yeah, quality is not our middle name. Although I've been away from the channel, this doesn't mean that I haven't been working hard. I've been grinding as hard as I can at work just so I can stack up as much money as possible. Remember guys, this channel, I don't upload as much as I should, but if you guys subscribe and follow me, this is going to be the journey of our financial journey from owning nothing to hopefully being financially free. I do not plan on working at my blue collar manual labor job for 40 years. And, hopefully things line up and we can retire in less than 20 years. And that would be amazing. If you can retire in your 30s or even early 40s and live life doing whatever you want, that would be awesome. We can go over to our Robinhood portfolio. Currently, we are at $5,000 in value. For some people, this isn't much, and for some, they can't imagine getting to $5,000. If you guys haven't been following, then we currently have half our value is inside cash, and this is because some people consider me a doom and gloom channel or a doom and gloom person, and I believe I'm very analytical, looking at news, looking at things like that, and everything I see points towards a recession or some people say we aren't in a recession. They say we are in a booming economy. Yet the media says this, and then my eyes are seeing, wait, Intel just laid off 10,000 people. Another company over here just laid off a bunch of people. California just fired a bunch of fast food people. So how exactly is this a booming economy? They're telling us one thing and they're telling us don't believe what your eyes are showing you, right? And that makes no sense. And this is a safety net because pretty much if the economy goes down and we go into a recession, then this is buying power, right? One man's misfortune. So if stocks in a company goes down by a lot, that's going to be my fortune. One man's misfortune is another man's success. When things go down, that's when opportunity show itself, whether it's stocks, real estate, gold, silver, or whatever you want to invest into. And so this is why I got so much money in buying power. If you guys remember, we only have 5 stocks invested in currently. Our account from our bank account, it automatically sends $200 per week into this Robinhood portfolio, and it buys these 5 companies: Realty Income 12 shares, SCHD 5 shares, VOO 1 share, JEBQ 6 shares, and JEBP 4 shares. Again, not much, and some people might say it's not much diversity, but to each their own. I'm just going to consistently leave things on automatic investment and see what happens. But yeah, this is pretty much what we got currently in stocks. $5,000 is also half of $10,000. 10K is 1/10 of 100,000, and the first $100,000 is going to be the biggest milestone just because to get to $1 million, your first $100,000 is the hardest 100K to obtain. Every $100,000 after your first is going to be easier and easier due to compound interest. So yeah, 5,000 ain't much, but to us, that's something big. All right, guys, now we can go to our bank account. And I feel like this will surprise some people maybe not. There are kids at our age, I'm 21 by the way, Gen Z. Some people at my age are millionaires, and some people don't got $100 to their name. So to each their own. But yeah, and again, before I show you my bank account, I want you guys to share this to as many people as possible, especially Gen Z and young people. I'm 21 years old. I work a blue collar job. I want financial freedom at least within 20 years. A lot of Gen Z currently think that they can't retire early or they can't retire at all. They're in a mountain of debt and they think they can't do it. But I want them to watch me. I want them to understand that there's someone out there who understands them and is trying their best also to forward their finances. Hopefully, they can watch me and go on my financial journey. Hopefully, they can see that someone is trying their best and is working towards that goal. And hopefully, it just motivates them to do better. I find a lot of people think that they can't do something until they actually see it. So hopefully you guys can show this video in my account to other younger people, and hopefully it motivates them to go on their own financial journey. All right, guys, finally we're going to our Capital One bank account, and $5,000 is a small fraction compared to $40,000. This is currently our bank account right now. You guys will ask me why Capital One, and it's because they got 4.3% interest rate on their bank account. In my first bank account, it pretty much paid no money in interest, and as you can see in this account, I got paid in May $50, in June $87, and in July $94. So again, in my old account, it paid you a couple pennies. If you got a Wells Fargo's account or any of the big banks, then pretty much they pay you nothing in interest and you are losing to inflation. In this account, as you can see, I'm getting paid almost $100, and this is monthly, guys. And that's the thing, guys, $94 isn't much, but I didn't do anything to earn this money. You know, $94 ain't nothing. I mean, it's $100, but when you didn't do anything to earn it, this is a lot. And think about it. Some people have a zero right here, $940 in interest paid. And richer people, someone out there probably has $9,400 paid in interest. Hopefully, we can get to that eventually. If you guys aren't aware, I want to get into real estate because I've been through crypto and I've been through stocks. Like, I'm talking about trading penny stocks, and none of that has panned out. And real estate seems like the last option I got, and probably the most safest compared to the other two that I did. I should have probably done real estate first. I probably would have my first property already. So this is why I'm saving my money. I've been saving for the last 6 months, and pretty much interest rates are too high and property prices are too high. So hopefully, this is why I hope for a recession. A recession is bad, but I want a recession anyways. And I'm saying this now, but hopefully, if we do have a recession, that it's not bad enough to the point where I lose my job, because that's always a possibility, guys. There's no such thing as job security. So currently we got $40,000, and this is saving pretty much from every paycheck I get. The only expenses I have is my phone bill and my car bill. That's pretty much it. I don't even got a loan on the car. I got my cars paid off. The thing is, I gotta pay insurance, and I'm in Florida, and the insurance on a Corvette is $500 plus. And yeah. So even though the car is paid off, I want to get rid of the car because $500 a month on a car that I drive to work is too expensive, to be honest. I don't regret buying the car, but I regret buying the car. So essentially, we got $40,000, and the car, which is on my Instagram, shameless plug. We're probably gonna plug this in every video. Um, Subscribe to me, leave a follow if you can. I'll start posting more if people are interested here. You can see the line of work I do. I do trailer repair, box truck repair. Over here, you can see our first $1,000 on the Robinhood portfolio. And this is our Corvette. We bought it, what, 43 weeks ago. That 43 weeks went by very fast. I'm telling you guys, time is going by really fast. But essentially, we're at $40,000 in the bank account. And combined with this car, if we sell it, even, okay, let's say it depreciated 25%. So it's selling for $30,000. 40K plus 30K is $70,000. Even in this market, yeah, I can probably purchase a house right now in Florida. The down payment for $70,000. But again, we think the market is going to crash, so we're going to wait for opportunity before we get into the market. We're going to keep saving into 2025, and hopefully the market looks better, or actually worse, because if the market is worse, that means it's opportunity for us. But yeah, guys, if we're talking about net worth wise, then our net worth is probably 40K plus 30K plus 5K, so at least $75,000 at the minimum. But actually thinking about that though, we're 75% towards that first $100,000, and after that, it's gonna compound easier and quicker and quicker. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you made it this far, then thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys like and subscribe and share the video. And again, guys, um, hopefully you guys can like or follow my Instagram.